Hey everyone, James with TfbTV. I'm here in Bellevue, Washington at TriggrCon 2019. You guys may remember Courtney from Quater Circle 10. We interviewed them for SHOT Show. You guys make a ton of different configurations of basically pistol caliber carbine, AR-15 base pistol caliber carbines, and you've got a new one here for this show.
We do have a new one. The pistol caliber AR is the only thing we do. So it's time for a new one, and the new one is the P320 from SIG. Takes SIG P320 mags. The second one in our SIG options, we do also have a 226. This one is a little bit tricked out. It is brand new. We just released it, or just are introducing it. I shouldn't say we're releasing it. It will not be for sale. We are in extensive testing. We're looking for the end of the year.
Okay, and I assume it's going to cost the same as...
It'll be really close to everything else we do. Now, that being said, everybody wants in the 320 party, so we have some heavy-hitting, expensive stuff on this little prototype gun. But, yeah, just the standard. We will release it in the beginning as a receiver set with either a rear or slide charging option. This particular one is a rear. But we will also have it as a builder kit and a complete build.
And if you would, just run over the three of those for everybody, because if people are out there saying, hey, I really want something that'll accept a 320 magazine, it would be great because I own a 320 or whatever.
Yes.
They're going to say, okay, how do I get this? How does it come? So if you could explain those three.
Okay, so all of our guns are designed to work in conjunction with a handgun. So that is what that whole functionality thing is about. So when it comes to that, then the next step is how do we do it? So receiver set is going to be an upper and a lower receiver. Upper and a lower receiver are going to be the core foundation. As everyone knows, lowers your FFL item. You got to have that. So we have a builder kit. Builder kit is the core components. You hear a lot of people say that PCCs are not reliable. That is because they're using parts that were not originally designed to run for a PCC. It's some sort of modified thing, and they're mixing them all together. Ours have all been designed to run that. So the builder kit is going to have all of your functionality. Receivers, upper and lower, bolt, barrel, and buffer system. So your gun is ready to go. It's ready to run. Then you just start tricking out with all the fun options. I mean, the beauty of the AR is you can make it specific to what you want. Do you want to go total tactical? Do you want to go full-on competition? Do you just want a range toy? What do you want to do? You want to impress your buddies? Go with all the tricked out stuff. So that's how you can get it. Or you can get it as a complete build from us. And
what ballpark the price? So if I wanted just a receiver set, it would cost me
$440 ish, depending on rear or side charger.
Builder kit. What does that run?
Builder kit, you're going to start about $850, depending on your barrel length. So your barrel length, you can go from a 3.5, 5.5, 7.5, 10.5, 16, and side charger. So that's your two options. Do you want side charger, barrel length? And caliber. That's going to determine.
And finally, the complete build.
The complete guns are going to start at $1,550 or whatnot, and go up from there.
Okay, Courtney, I'm really glad that you take the time to talk to me. Thank you very much. And guys, we're going to bring you more from TriggrCon 2019.